all of us must have experienced the loss of someone close to us, someone who is dear to us in our life. It might be a parent, a sibling, a close friend, or someone who held a special place in our life. And such kind of loss changes our life. Our life suddenly feels different. Life does not remain the same it was. And yet, as Christians, we are called not to just hold on to the sorrows, sadness, grief, but to hold on to hope. Hope that lifts us up, hope that helps us to keep going. And that is what St. Paul in the first reading reminds the Thessalonians. He says, "Do not grieve like those who have no hope." Now it is important to know here that St. Paul is not telling us not to grieve at all. Grief is natural. It is very much part of being human. Psychologists today would say, when we lose someone, grieving helps us to acknowledge that loss. It helps us to release all the feelings of sadness, maybe anger, confusion that is created by that loss. Grief gives us meaning, gives the meaning to our relationship with that person. When we grieve, we remember how much that person meant to us. So grief is not a sign of weakness, it is more of a sign of love.